Hello, hello. What is goody? It's your girl, Strong Warrior. How are you? We're gonna hop into these messages because it's litty. Okay. Someone's doubtful. Someone's doubtful about your gifts. Whether it's yourself or the energies around you. Because perhaps of some past energy. Could have been a rift or some sort of downfall within an emotional connection. So there's doubt about where these gifts stand now and if you're genuine about it. Could be a Leo in the mix, some earth sign energy, some Virgo, Gemini energy, water sign energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Someone could see the manipulation that allowed this doubt to take over, whether the minds of others, the minds of yourself. You know what I'm saying? Any advice? But there's truth to your gifts, that's for sure. Okay. That's letting me know that someone still hasn't found their purpose yet. And so they're kind of projecting that insecurity onto you. King of Cups is like, that's how emotionally fulfilled you are, and your surroundings are a lack of pleasure and feeling trapped. And that's definitely a mental situation. So if that's not you, shake that shit away, because it don't apply to what you're doing.